In this video, I'm going to share how to remove underline while typing on Android. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. First, I will point out that this process works on any Android phone. In my case, I'm using Samsung, but it's the same process if you are on any Android. So to remove the underline while typing, you need to swipe down and click on Settings. You will see several options, but the option that interests us is the search option. At the top right corner, click right here and search Analyze on Screen Text. So search Analyze, that you will find Analyze on Screen Text. Click. You will see three options. Then you just need to turn off the second option, Analyze on Screen Text. This option allows the device assistant apps to analyze text shown on the screen to provide related content. So turn off this option, that it will remove underlining while typing on Android. Okay? I hope I helped you out to remove underlining while typing on Android. So if this video helped you in any way, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to receive others' footsteps.